Top 10 Mind-Blowing Facts About Ninjaman, Jamaica's Dancehall Legend Uncovered. Hey, dancehall fans! Get ready to dive into the incredible world of Ninjaman, Jamaica's iconic dancehall legend. Before we uncover these mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content on reggae and dancehall culture. Your support keeps the vibes alive. A name born from versatility. Born Desmond John Ballentine, Ninjaman earned his stage name from Killamanjaro sound system founder Noel Harper, who saw his ninja-like adaptability. He started as Double Ugly and Uglyman, but Ninjaman stuck, reflecting his dynamic persona and lyrical agility. Child prodigy of dancehall. At just 12, Ninjaman began DJing with Black Culture sound system. By 14, he was a star with Killamanjaro, mentored by legends like Supercat and Early B, laying the foundation for his explosive career. Epic clash with Shabba Ranks. The 1990 Sting concert clash with Shabba Ranks is a cornerstone of dancehall history. Ninjaman's lyrical ferocity and stage presence made it a legendary showdown, showcasing his unmatched battle skills. Controversial lyrics sparked debate. Known for hits like Murder Dem and Permit to Bury, Ninjaman's pro-gun lyrics stirred controversy. Critics argued they fueled violence, while supporters saw them as reflections of Jamaica's gritty realities, cementing his Don Gorgon status. From addiction to gospel. In the late 1990s, Ninjaman battled crack cocaine addiction. During recovery, he embraced Christianity, performing gospel dancehall as Brother Desmond. Though he later returned to raga, this phase showed his resilience and versatility. Silver screen star, Ninjaman wasn't just a music icon. He shone in films like Third World Cop, 1999, Jamaica's highest-grossing movie at the time, plus Rude Boy, The Jamaican Don, 2003, and Gangsta's Paradise, 2004, proving his charisma transcended music. Mentor to dancehall giants. Ninjaman's influence shaped artists like Spice, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, and Vybz Kartel. His raw energy and lyrical style inspired a generation, making him a cornerstone of modern dancehall. Legal battles and imprisonment. In 2009, Ninjaman and his son Jamal faced murder charges in Kingston. Convicted in 2017, he received a life sentence with parole eligibility after 25 years, a controversial chapter that shocked fans worldwide. Advocating from behind bars. Even in prison, Ninjaman remains impactful. In 2023, he wrote to Jamaica's Prime Minister, proposing prison reforms like rehabilitation programs, showing his commitment to positive change despite his circumstances. Iconic style and swagger. Ninjaman's bold fashion, blending Jamaican street vibes with gold teeth and flashy outfits, made him a visual icon. His unique look amplified his Don Gorgon persona, leaving a lasting mark on dancehall culture. Ninjaman's life is a roller coaster of triumphs, controversies, and reinvention. His legacy as a dancehall pioneer endures, inspiring fans and artists alike. Want more reggae and dancehall stories? Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop.